Maximize your productivity with ChatGPT. Hello and welcome to our discussion on the benefits of subscribing to a chat service using chat technology. But first, let's define what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT, or a generative pre-training transformer, is a type of artificial intelligence language model that can generate human-like text. It is trained on a massive dataset and can perform a variety of tasks, including translation, summarization, and text generation. Now, let's discuss how ChatGPT can enhance the chat experience. One of the main benefits of using ChatGPT in a chat service is the ability to provide more accurate and natural language responses. With ChatGPT, the chat service can understand and respond to user input in a more human-like manner, leading to more effective and efficient communication. Another benefit of ChatGPT in the chat is the ability to automate certain tasks and processes. For example, if a user asks the chat service for a weather forecast, ChatGPT can quickly generate a response with the most up-to-date information. This can save time and effort for both the user and the chat service. In addition to automation, ChatGPT can also help to improve the overall user experience by providing personalized recommendations and suggestions. For example, if a user is looking for a particular product or service, the chat service can use ChatGPT to suggest relevant options based on the user's previous interactions and preferences. Overall, subscribing to a chat service using chat technology can provide several benefits that can enhance communication, automation, and user experience. So if you want to take your chat service to the next level, consider subscribing to one that utilizes chat technology. This revolutionary business model is the future of content creation. It's so simple that even a child could use it to generate a large amount of content quickly and for free. All you need is access to the internet and the ability to navigate to a website. No special skills or expertise are required. With this tool, you can easily generate content for your own use or to sell to others. Simply enter your desired topic and the tool will do the rest, creating high-quality content in no time. It's truly unbelievable how easy it is to use and how much value it can provide. So if you have basic tech skills and a desire to create content, this business model is perfect for you. Don't miss out on the opportunity to take your content creation to the next level. Try it out now and see the amazing results for yourself. As an internet marketer, you know that creating high-quality content is essential for driving traffic to your sales and opt-in pages. However, the traditional process of content creation can be time-consuming and overwhelming, especially when you're tasked with writing long ebooks or paper books for Amazon. Not only do you have to spend hours researching ideas and writing the content, but you also have to proofread and edit your work, which can be a tedious and frustrating process. And if you're not a skilled writer, you may have to pay a freelancer to do the work for you, which can be costly and uncertain in terms of quality. Some text goes here, but what if I told you that there was a tool that could write anything for you, in real time, and about any subject you can think of? Introducing ChatGPT, a revolutionary tool that can generate ebooks, articles, essays, product reviews, ideas, and more in just seconds. And the best part? It's completely free. With ChatGPT, you can easily generate high-quality content in any language, without the hassle of researching and writing yourself. Plus, there are advanced techniques and methods for using ChatGPT in even more powerful ways, which you can learn about in my course. Don't let the tedious process of content creation hold you back from achieving your marketing goals. Give ChatGPT a try and see the amazing results for yourself. Some text goes here. Are you tired of the traditional content creation process, with all its time-consuming research and writing? Introducing ChatGPT Empire, a revolutionary tool that can do it all for you. With ChatGPT, all you have to do is provide a single line of text outlining what you want the software to write about. Whether it's content for your business, products, or services, ChatGPT can handle it all. It's like having your team of highly educated freelancers working around the clock to generate high-quality content in any language. Plus, ChatGPT can even write about you and your business, giving you the opportunity to showcase your expertise and share your story with your audience. And with the ability to translate content into any language, you can reach a global audience with ease. Don't miss out on this exciting new trend in content creation. Try ChatGPT Empire today and see the amazing results for yourself.